The wait is finally over. Marking the calendar for January 17, 2024, Samsung is gearing up to unveil its latest flagship devices at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event. The highly anticipated tech launch will take place at the SAP Center in San Jose, California, where Samsung will reveal its new generation Galaxy S24 series packed with Galaxy AI features. While the dates are announced and not much time is left for the final reveal, Samsung has already started the pre-order booking for the Galaxy S24 series in India. Interested Samsung fans in India can visit Samsung's official website at samsung.com/unpacked/ and pre-book the latest flagship by purchasing the next Galaxy VIP Pass for just over $1,999. The pass offers buyers a chance to grab the Galaxy S24 series of smartphones on or after January 17. Additionally, users can then pick and choose the variant they would like to purchase. With pre-booking, not only will customers get the reservation to receive the new Samsung Galaxy S24 prior to everyone, but they will also enjoy a slew of rewards, including extra benefits worth Rs 5,000, the best exchange value, the ability to buy a special edition Galaxy S24, and early delivery of the smartphone. However, this is not it. Samsung may unveil additional perks similar to last year, such as complimentary storage upgrades and discounted prices on accessories like the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Buds 2. Comparable benefits are expected for the Galaxy S24 series. Meanwhile, Samsung has yet to reveal the features and specifications of its new Galaxy S24 series. While the company might share some sneak peeks as the launch date approaches, there are many leaks and speculations around the tech world suggesting significant upgrades in the series. Leaks indicate that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 series will offer a diverse range of display sizes to suit various preferences. The standard Galaxy S24 is expected to sport a 6.2-inch screen, while the S24 Plus will step up to a slightly larger 6.7-inch display. The top-of-the-line S24 Ultra will boast the largest with a 6.8-inch screen. Adding to the immersive experience, all displays will be complemented by a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. For the power, Samsung is expected to offer either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400 chipset, depending on the region. For Indian users, the Galaxy S24 series is expected to feature the Exynos chipset. Now for the camera, the features are poised to be a standout feature, with rumors suggesting that the regular and S24 Plus models will boast two potent 50-megapixel cameras capable of capturing high-quality images and recording impressive 8K videos. The S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is expected to elevate photography to new heights with a robust 200-megapixel main camera and additional lenses designed for impressive zooming capabilities. In terms of battery life, the Galaxy S24 series is anticipated to provide significant power reserves, ensuring users can meet their daily demands seamlessly. The standard S24 is speculated to house a 4,000 mAh battery, the S24 Plus featuring a larger 4,900 mAh battery, and the S24 Ultra boasting the most substantial battery at 5,000 mAh. Although design rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 were slow to trickle out, we're starting to learn more about what Samsung's next phone might look like. To the complete lack of surprise to anyone who has followed the company's design trends over the past few years, it sounds like the S24 lineup might follow in Apple's tracks, and depending on the model, it'll be in more ways than one. The overall look for all three phones should stay relatively unchanged. After all, 2023 saw Samsung align its design language across phones, including low-end models like the Galaxy F14. It's difficult to imagine a revolutionary new design on deck for next year, something echoed by early renders. We've seen images for both the Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and well, they look like what you'd expect. The former features squared edges that call recent iPhones to mind, while the latter looks to keep rounded rails while making one big move. Based on both renders and rumors, it looks like Samsung is finally giving up the ghost on its curved screens. After years of reducing the radius on its flagship phablets, not to mention giving the non-Ultra devices flat panels, the company seems intent on giving the Galaxy S24 the same treatment. While leaker Ice Universe noted that it will retain its curved sides, the screen itself is rumored to be completely flat. These S24 Ultra renders seem to echo that, showing a familiar design that simply matches the Pixel 8 Pro when it comes to dropping curved edges along the sides of the panel. With this change, it seems like curved phones have finally been left behind for good by some of Android's biggest companies. While Motorola continues to include them on some of its devices, it's looking more and more likely that flat edges are back and likely here to stay. The frame, however, looks near identical. At 8.6mm, it's just a smidge thinner than its predecessor. Some other minor tweaks include slight changes to the button designs, a new speaker grille at the bottom of the phone, and a flat S Pen top that could allow the phone to stand up straight without first removing the stylus. These are all really minimal efforts to shake up the overall design, but it's better than Samsung doing absolutely nothing for another generation. If these renders aren't enough good news, a real-world hands-on of an early unit seems to cement most of the rumors we've heard thus far. These images show a natural titanium Galaxy S24 Ultra with a square design and flat edges across the board. If I'm being honest, it looks a little unfinished to my eyes, lacking the polish that titanium added to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Still, we'll have to wait to see how it measures up to the competition in person. As for that display, it sounds like the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat panel will once again measure in around 6.8 inches at a 1440 resolution, though this time with a peak brightness of 2500 nits. That's a massive jump up from the 1750 nits panel on 2023's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Combine these flat screen rumors with word that a titanium frame will bring the S24 Ultra's weight down to just 233 grams, and it sounds like a pretty big jump over last year's phone. What about the other devices though? Samsung is turning its attention to the Galaxy S24 Plus this year, finally upgrading the display in some crucial ways. In addition to slightly larger screens on both the S24 and S24 Plus than their respective predecessors, the S24 Plus will make the jump to QHD resolution, making for an even more pixel-dense screen than the S24 Ultra. With the upcoming launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, enthusiasts are eager to explore the potential upgrades. Considering the leaked information about display sizes, camera capabilities, and design changes, what specific feature or improvement are you most excited about in the new Galaxy S24 lineup? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.